No, I communicate with my whiteboard because I write a lot.
Sa whiteboard tatoa wapi na Kizungu. Good afternoon, fellow Luo learners, and welcome to the Luo English Dictionary channel. If you're new to this video, if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, consider looking through the channel because we have over 250 videos on Luo language. Today's video it's a continuation of part 1, whereby we were looking at verbs and what we are doing in the house, how you can talk about what you're doing in the house. We're just making up examples as we go, and I hope that this will help you learn the language. So let's start with I eat.
I eat.
Achiemo. Give me a sentence. Give me an example.
I eat an orange.
Achamo machunga.
Achamo machunga.
You know that one is, you can't say I eat an orange. I'm eating an orange.
I'm eating.
Yes. But it's still achamo machunga.
Achamo machunga.
So I ate.
I ate
an orange.
I ate.
Ne achamo machunga.
Ne achamo machunga.
So I am eating an orange is achamo machunga.
Achamo machunga.
Ne achamo machunga. I ate an orange.
Ne achamo machunga.
And then the other one of the future tense is abiro chamo machunga.
Abiro chamo machunga.
So like when we are done with this video, abiro chamo
machunga.
Good. Number 2, I drink.
I drink water.
Amodopi.
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 I scream.
I scream. I scream to the top of my lungs or something.
Ne agoyo nduru. No, you give me like I scream because
I saw a thief outside.
Yes. Ne agoyo nduru nikech ne aneno jakuo.
Ne agoro nduru nikech
agoyo.
Ne agoyo nduru nikech aneno
jakuo.
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 Ne agoyo nduru nikech ne aneno jakuo.
Ne agoyo nduru nikech ne aneno jakuo.
Ne agoyo nduru nikech ne aneno jakuo.
Ne agoyo nduru nikech ne aneno
jakuo.
Jakuo.
Good. I play
an instrument at school.
Atugo ga gita e sikul.
Atugo ga guitar e sikul.
Atugo ga gita e sikul.
Atugo ga guitar e sikul.
I wave
goodbye to my friends.
Afwayo ga ne osiepena.
Afwayo ga
ne osiepena.
Ne osiepena.
Afwayo ga ne osiepena.
Afwayo ga ne osiepena.
I create
a new type of food.
Aloso ga. You know, create is like God created, yeah?
Okay.
So that is like achueyo. Chueyo is create. Chueyo, loso is like mend, but chueyo is create. Create means you didn't have anything. You just had some piece of material and then now you have created something out of it. That is chueyo.
Chueyo.
Achueyo, so I created a what? I create
a pot from clay.
Ne achueyo agulu.
Ne achueyo agulu.
Ka atiyo gi lob soko.
Ka atiyo gi lob soko.
Yep. I worship
in a church.
Alemo e kanisa. Kanisa is Swahili.
Alemo e kanisa.
Alemo e elemo. Alemo e lemo.
Alemo e lemo.
Yep, I wash it in the church. Okay. I preach.
I preach
at the market.
Yeah.
I preach at the market, don't you?
Yes.
Preach is called ayalo. Ayalo e chiro. Ayalo e chiro.
Ayalo or yalo.
Ayalo.
Ayalo.
E chiro.
E chiro.
I pray.
I pray. I pray a prayer. I pray before I sleep.
Yes. Alemo ka pok anindo.
Alemo ka pok anindo.
Alemo ka pok anindo.
Alemo ka pok anindo.
I check.
I check. I check for everything.
What is for everything?
Like if you have to go
just give me one thing. Don't tell
fruits. Shopping list.
What does that mean?
I check.
Give me a sentence that makes sense.
A sentence that makes sense. I check for understanding. No. Cat. I check. What do I check? What do I always check? I check the time, brother. I check the time.
So, I start.
Do I check?
I check.
I check the time.
Angio sa.
Angio sa.
Angio sa.
Angio sa.
Good. I communicate.
I communicate with my mouth.
With my parents, yeah. Hey, communicate means like you are not talk is what you're saying with your mouth. Communicate means that you're either beating a drum or you're blowing smoke or you're talking or those are forms of communication. So communication is not just with my mouth. So I communicate.
I communicate with smoke. No. Cat. Okay, I communicate with the beat of the drum. Okay, I communicate.
So let's do that one.
No, I communicate with my whiteboard because I write a lot.
So whiteboard tatoa wapi na kizungu?
Yeah, I communicate with a chalk.
I communicate by
using a chalk. By beating the drum. By eating.
Try to the next one. Sioni.
Oh, look at that.
Sioni. English. Wait. I paint. It was what? I paint the house blue.
Yes.
Awicho ot rangi ma ratiglo.
Awicho ot rangi mar
ratiglo.
Ratiglo.
Awicho ot rangi ma ratiglo.
Awicho ot rangi ma ratiglo.
Yes. And I plant.
I plant skuma wiki.
Before
summer.
Apidho ga a lot kapok chieng' owuok.
Apidho ga a lot kapok chieng' owuok.
I had
a banana in my hand.
Ne an gi rabolo e lweta.
Ne an gi rabolo e lweta.
Not lweta. Lweta.
Lweta.
Lwe.
Lwe.
Ta. Lweta. Lweta. Yes. Ne an gi rabolo e lweta.
Ne an gi rabolo e lweta.
I clean.
I clean my car.
I clean the table after eating.
I clean the table after eating.
Ayweyo mesa bang chiemo.
Ayweyo mesa bang chiemo.
Not ayueyo. Ayueyo.
Ayueyo.
Ayueyo mesa bang chiemo.
Ayueyo mesa bang chiemo.
Ayueyo mesa bang chiemo.
Ayueyo mesa bang chiemo.
Yes.
I cook a delicious dinner.
Atedo chiemo mamit.
Atedo chiemo mamit.
Atedo chiemo mamit.
Atedo chiemo mamit.
If you enjoyed this video and you like it, please give it a thumbs up because it really helps the channel move forward. Now, you can also support this channel by joining the channel. I will leave a link on the description down below. And please consider supporting the channel so that we can move on to do greater things. And for now,
Oriti, I
Bye-bye.
say goodbye.
Part 2 of the video.
Welcome. Welcome, fellow Luo English viewers. Welcome to part 2. My name is Nikki. Ayalo e chiro.
No, not yalo. Ayalo.
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 Yalo.
Yalo.
Ayalo e chiro.
Ayalo e chiro.
Ebuwe, be serious. Tony, that thing you can.
Go to your room.
Can
your
you take it
computer's
lower
open.
now? See, you're at volume 8.
Your computer's open.